APL systems are divided into three types. The APL Classic 230 is the simplest and most economical with no interaction with pedestrians. If the power supply is present only on one side of the road, to simplify the installation and in particular the cutting of the road, it is possible to use the APL Classic ELV, whose components operate at 12 and 24 volts. The APL Smart, instead, features an intelligent dimming that increases the lighting level of the crossing from 40% to 100% and activates the LED flashing lights only when a pedestrian is about to cross. As with the classic models, the Smart APL is also available in two configurations. The APL Smart ELV, supplied with 12 and 24 volt control units and components, facilitates installation and future maintenance. While in cases where power supply is available on both sides of the road, it is possible to use the APL Smart Wireless 230, which guarantees wireless communication between the two control units. The change in brightness and the activation of the flashing lights help to attract the attention of drivers on the crossing, reducing the possibility of getting used to signaling and avoiding excessive visual pollution. The APL Solar, our photovoltaic system, is a possible solution only for installation sites without street lighting, because the low power is enough to create a good contrast only in dark areas. The flashing lights work 24 hours a day, while the backlit signs for this version are not available. Finally, the APL Solar Active is our interactive photovoltaic system. The flashing lights are activated only in the presence of a pedestrian via a sensor or button, but in this case the system does not increase the lighting level on the crossing. The connection between the two control units is wireless. Each of the types of APL described above is available in different solutions. The most common, cost-effective, and easier to install is the Solution 1. If there are obstacles such as trees or advertising panels where the poles are going to be installed that could reduce the visibility of the signs and flashers, it is recommended to use the Solutions 2 or 3 that allow the drivers to recognize the pedestrian crossing even in this situation. The Solutions 2 and 3 are also indicated for installations on roads with speed limit over 50 km/h.